Hi everyone, welcome to vlog 11 out of 30. Trying the challenge of hashtag daily in November, trying to upload a picture and a video every day in November. Today I want to talk about the 10 things I've learnt in 10 days of daily vlogging. So here we go. So point number one, and these are in no particular order, is time. I did not realize how much mental time this vlogging thing takes. So even though you're only filming bits and pieces through the day and you're editing a couple of hours, doing pictures, etc., the actual mental process is like a 24/7 thing. The only time you get off is when you're sleeping. I'm always thinking of the next idea, how I can better things, how I can fix things, what are people thinking, what am I doing? You know, it's constantly on. You become a person in the public eye, and your mind just ticks, and yeah, you kind of don't want to sleep because you get so excited doing it. So time. So point number two is energy. Even though I'm sleeping a lot less because I'm doing a lot more work and I'm getting things done late at night and all sorts of things, I feel that I've actually got more energy. It's been a really strange thing. The less I'm sleeping, the more energized I feel. I don't know if it's the vlogging idea itself, the interaction with people, with the world, just getting over fears and things that has released some more energy in me. But yeah, that's an unusual one that I didn't expect. I've got more energy from vlogging. So the third one is audience. This is a hard one for me because I don't ever know really who I'm talking to. So it's very hard to come up with a style because I don't know whether I'm talking to beginners, advanced people. It's hard to sort of formulate the way the vlog will run. So I just kind of go with however I feel, but it is a bit choppy changey. So yeah, audience is a hard one to address. You just don't know who's watching and what they're after. So I do rely on comments and feedback to drive the channel in a certain direction. But I probably should follow my heart and just film what I think I want to share with the world. So yeah, that's a hard one, audience. Number 4 is niche. Now before starting my channel, before vlogging, I read a lot of things and everyone says to niche down and have a topic that you'd cover that the channel is all about. And I've gone that way. However, as I vlog more and more the last 10 days and also as I do more videos, I find that I want to be unniched. You know, there's many different sides to me and many different topics I want to talk about, and I feel kind of caged in, boxed in, just covering a niche. So going forward, this channel might change a little bit to being more about me and my thoughts and my life rather than being niched into just one space. Point number 5 is privacy. I've learned that vlogging not only evokes privacy issues in me but also in the people around me. So I've got people that don't want to be in the vlogs. I've got to be careful where I film and how I film, including outside. You know, you've got to be conscious of who ends up in your video that's going out to the world. So privacy is a big factor and one that I knew was there, but once you start filming you realize it is really there. So point number 6 is perfection. This is a really hard one for me and it's been a big challenge in this challenge to release things that are not perfect. So with daily vlogging there just isn't enough time to perfect every bit of it and they have to come out as they are. So point number 6, perfection. So point number 7 is location. This is also another hard one for me. Changing locations, making the vlog exciting, the things that are happening behind me. Today I'm trying to change location for every little point, but that's hard in itself because I'm in one location just trying to get a different background for you. But yeah, location is a hard one. It's hard to find good locations, especially if you're not traveling, and that's been kind of a learning curve. Inside me I just want to sit in one place that's safe, but to get out and about is also a nice challenge. So that's point number 7. So number 8 is purpose. I feel like with the daily vlogging commitment, I've definitely got a purpose every day to film and to help others and to move forward. It's given me energy and yeah, I feel like there's, you know, a path ahead. So I feel that's been a real positive. Number 8, purpose. Number 9, learning. I think on this journey of the last 10 days, I've learnt a lot. I've learnt about editing, filming, time management, what I'm good at, my strengths, my weaknesses, and many, many other things. So learning is really big. Daily vlogging, you're learning all the time. It's been great for that. And number 10 is belonging. I think that by doing the daily vlogging, I've started to use hashtags, daily vlogging, daily in November, and I've worked out that there's actually a little bit of a sort of a club or something, of daily vloggers. So I feel like I belong to a group of new people, to like a new club. And it feels great, everyone wants to belong. So that's been a really good positive thing for the daily vlogging challenge. So that brings us to the end of the 10 points. I hope you found them useful in some way. If you did, leave me a thumbs up or a down if you didn't enjoy the video. Subscribe and comment. Let me know what you've learnt from vlogging. If you're a vlogger, what are your top 3 points that you've learnt in the first few weeks of vlogging? If you want to start vlogging, what's stopping you? Let me know. Let's have a conversation below and let's help others with our words. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.